So I have decided it is another week of weekly vlog this week because I'm loving making them, and right now I am in a mess of wardrobe swapping. It is going to be the hottest week of the year so far. Not that that's saying very much this week. It's going to be like 18, 19 degrees quite a few days. So I want to get some of my pretty summer stuff out. Not my like spring stuff, so like my spring dresses and that sort of thing, because my wardrobe is very winter heavy at the moment. So I want to get rid of some of my jumpers to be able to fit in some of my spring stuff, will be able to like tease in a little bit of spring stuff. So that is what I'm working on right now. I basically keep like 2 boxes full of my wardrobe swap under my bed, and I just sort of rotate it, and then I've got this little wardrobe here which is got 2 layers of stuff in at the moment. So that is my wardrobe, and this is the situation. It's not actually too bad. My wardrobe isn't crazy big at the moment, so it's always pretty easy to do this, but this is the stuff I think I want to kind of tease into my wardrobe. And then I'm going to get out some of these like jumpery bits, some of the kind of thicker trousers, thicker dresses, and yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm not sure how I'm going to do this, but I want to get all of this into here. Might have to go buy another box. That all needs to go in here, those in the wardrobe. Let's see. Can't remember if I showed you this, but all sorted. I'm just so excited to wear all these dresses. Summer. So I'm gonna make myself some breakfast before I start work. We've got a really fun Mother's Day Instagram post going live today, so I'm just getting the caption ready for that. Yeah, I basically sent a bunch of the community some products to give to their mums for Mother's Day and to record it for us. It's just a really nice campaign. We got some really nice responses, so yeah, I'm really excited to post that today and see how it goes down. I've also posted a reel I'm really proud of this morning as well. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's Ellen's in Wonderland. Do go and check me out because I love it. Just making my standard morning smoothie. I've got a bunch of frozen berries in there, and I've got some real berries as well today, because I have them left over from last week. So I'm gonna get the real berries as well, and I've got actually a bunch of yummy stuff, to be honest. I think that's so much better to go in there. I've got my last banana. It's Monday, so if you are new here, Monday lunchtime is my food shop time, so I need to do my food shop. So this is just like stuff that I've had left over from last week. I think I finished my actual berries, but I've got banana, Alpro yogurt, spinach I might chuck some in, and normal milk, so let's do this. So I've just found out something mega exciting, and I don't know if I'm going to tell you guys now, but I obviously will just have to release this when I'm allowed to say, if I'm allowed to say. I think more people need to be told before I'm allowed to say, but I have just got a place on the London Marathon in, I've got like goosebumps like saying it. Whew. I've got a place on the London Marathon in October, a charity place to run for versus arthritis, who if you are brand new here, I have arthritis myself. I've been volunteering with versus arthritis for about 6 years. My day job at Arthur is funded by versus arthritis. That's who the company I work for are funded by. It's just everything I do revolves around having arthritis or living with arthritis and in some way or another, and I couldn't not apply to run the marathon for them, so I can't believe I've got a place. I've got to raise £2 though, so I'm gonna, I probably wouldn't have started fundraising yet, but I'll leave that down below. And also I'm gonna be vlogging the whole journey of like, I run to an extent. I can run probably run about 5k at the moment, so it's gonna be 6 months of hardcore training to run this, so I am gonna be vlogging the whole thing. I think my first step is to find like a personal trainer or someone to kickstart my marathon running, I guess. So I need to find somebody to help with that, is my big starting point now. I'm just really like, I've literally just told my mum and that's it so far, so I'm feeling quite overwhelmed and excited, A, at how freaking spontaneous this is of me, and B, the fact that I even got a place in the first place, because if you don't know, London Marathon places are really hard to secure, so yeah. I've got a place on the marathon. I'm actually, oh my god, I'm still pink from the run. I need to turn the music off before I get demonetized. I actually got back from a run. Even though my face doesn't say it, I got back from a run about 20 minutes ago and I'm making dal for dinner. But I just went out and did my first run. I did a 35-minute 5K, which I'm actually pretty chuffed with. I feel like, and I felt like I could have kept going. I was just like, that's, the intention was to do a 5K. So I'm gonna try and see if I can do the same again tomorrow morning and just get on it really, and see what I can do, and how far I can go basically every time. Just keep kind of pushing it for now until I get the kind of training pack and all that kind of stuff. But on non-marathon news, I'm gonna make a spinach dal, and I've got some naan bread to make as well. So that is dinner. I was listening to Mumford & Son. I'm gonna eat dinner in my outfit, and then I'm gonna just hop straight in the shower. I think I want to braid my hair so I can have curls tonight, and I think I want to watch some YouTube, so just do some big old chill time. Waiting to be famous. Happy Tuesday. I have just filmed a few, taken a few outfit pictures in my lunch break because it is glorious today. It is 20 degrees outside right now and it is fabulous. I am absolutely, I know I've said it a million times, but I live for this weather and loving it. And I've also decided we're going for drag brunch. I haven't decided if we're going. We are going for drag brunch on Saturday, and I've decided what I'm wearing, and it's going to be really warm as well then. So I'm doing like a cute little mini dress and little sandals, and I'm excited. But yeah, I filmed some really cute outfits and reels, so I'm going to get them all edited this evening so that they're all ready to go for future content. I love filming summer content. I love summer fashion so much more than winter fashion, and I'm so excited that it's here and we can play with clothes. Hi guys, so it is 8 o'clock-ish now. I went for a run straight after work. I need to leave a day in between runs, I think, because that was hard, but I guess it's all new to me, so yeah. I then went and got myself Korean food, so I got a bibimbap, I think that's how you say it, for dinner. And I'm now running a bath, so living a pure life of luxury right now. And yeah, Laura and Pete both got me bath stuff for Christmas, my sister and my boyfriend. So I am using all of that, and I'm just really excited to get in a bath. Actually, I'm very achy. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I thought I would check in because I've been a terrible weekly vlogger this week. I started off on such a high, and then well, actually I've had a whole week on such a high, but in terms of vlogging, I started off on such a high and then just fell off the bandwagon. I went out for drinks with all my mates. Oh, what was that? Oh, got a voicemail. I should have heard that. I went for a drink with my pals on Wednesday evening, and it was glorious, sitting in the sunshine having a drink, and I got very drunk and I was very hungover on Thursday, so just basically took the whole day. Well, I worked, but I didn't do anything outside of working. I just lay on the sofa and worked, and that was literally it for the day, to be honest. It was most unproductive. I left the house to go get myself a can of Fanta Fruit Twist, and that was literally it. But I'm feeling back to it today. Me and my friend Lydia went for a gym sesh this morning. We both did my sports bra was wet, so she did a run and I did the 12-5-30 thing, because I can do that in a normal bra, well, a crop top bra. And that was super fun. I felt very young businesswoman vibes, being at the gym, having a gossip with your girl before you start the day for work. It was just, I don't know, it was very nice. It was really nice to do that. We normally do classes, but it was nice to like just work out and like chat and like catch up, even though we'd seen each other Wednesday. But like, yeah, it was just very nice. And then work's been quite busy, lots of meetings today, so I'm just quickly kind of gonna catch some lunch, gonna make myself some lunch. I think I want pasta for lunch. I just am craving carbs. I think I'm in because it's my fertile window, and this is always when I'm like the most hungry. I only know that because of my Apple app, by the way. I'm not trying for a baby or anything like that, but my app on Apple tells me when I'm in my fertile window. TMI? Dunno. So yeah, that is my day, and then I'm going to meet Pete after work, and we're going out for dinner with his family, so that's gonna be lush. And then I'm going to a drag brunch tomorrow. Maybe I'll film some content there. See what happens. Morning! I actually haven't showered or done anything morning yet. I literally just put this dress on and went to Sainsbury's to get stuff for protein pancakes. That's what have I got my face? I'll just post scars. For protein pancakes, that's what I'm making for breakfast this morning. I'm having a main character today. I can feel it already. I love when I wake up feeling like this. Like, I did my main character walk to Sainsbury's, I did my main character Sainsbury's shop, and now I'm making my main character pancakes and my main character coffee and tea for Peter. But yeah, I adore these pancakes. I make, yeah, they're like just the protein pancakes. They're literally just oats, baking powder, eggs and milk, and that's literally all they are. And then I decorate them with like berries and yogurt. I've got the Alpro plant-based yogurt, and I do have Greek style like fat-free yogurt as well. Honey, peanut butter. I've got these as well. Maybe we could put chocolate bits on them, I was thinking. And I do have a banana, so yeah, I'm gonna make them and then get Pete to come and decorate his own pancakes. Do I have a boyfriend or do I have a child? Get my ticket. Right, Pete's showing off, making it stunning. Artist. Hey guys, so I look a bit wild. It is Sunday. I think I spoke to you earlier, but basically it's Mother's Day today. The day is now over. I've come home, done my chores, and now I'm ready for bed. But I'm gonna watch Peaky Blinders and then bed. We went to the car boot sale today and I got 2 really nice things, so I'm just gonna insert those now. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of the week. Again, it's been a bit of a all over the place one. I'm going to try and do the same again next week. So I hope you're enjoying following my life at the moment. I'm enjoying living it. I had a really lovely weekend. It's been, yeah, really gorgeous, really special. And yeah, that's pretty much all I've got to update you on. I will catch you in Monday's video, 6 PM Monday, and then maybe bonus video 6 PM Friday. So yeah, bye guys. Remember to subscribe if you enjoyed the video throughout.